Get ready, car lovers. Today, we're diving into 20 early Amazon Automotive Tools deals for Black Friday, with massive savings up to 75%. These aren't your usual discounts. Think rare, trending, and game-changing tools that can upgrade your garage and your life before the big sale rush hits. But hurry, these deals are limited time only, so stick around till the end to catch every money-saving opportunity. Number 1. Astroai S8 Car Battery Jump Starter. The Astroai S8 Car Battery Jump Starter is a must-have for any driver who wants peace of mind on the road. Compact yet powerful, it can jumpstart your car in seconds without another vehicle. With a 12,000 mAh capacity, it provides multiple jumps per charge and doubles as a portable power bank for phones and tablets. Its built-in LED flashlight adds extra safety, making it perfect for emergencies and Black Friday deals. Number 2. Olight i1R2 Pro Keychain Flashlight. The Olight i1R2 Pro Keychain Flashlight is tiny but packs a punch, delivering up to 100 lumens of bright light. Perfect for keyholes, dark roads, or emergencies. It's rechargeable via magnetic USB, eliminating disposable batteries. Its durable aluminum build and water resistance make it reliable for everyday use, while its sleek design fits any keychain. Compact, practical, and highly functional, this little gadget is a Black Friday steal you don't want to miss. Number 3. Rove R2-4K Dual Dash Cam Front Rear. The Rove R2-4K Dual Dash Cam records Ultra HD video from front and rear cameras, keeping you covered on every drive. Its wide-angle lenses capture everything, and Wi-Fi with GPS makes reviewing footage simple on your phone. Loop recording and G-sensor technology automatically save footage during collisions, ensuring you never lose critical moments. Compact, discreet, and easy to install, this dash cam is perfect for commuters, road trippers, and rideshare drivers, all at an early Black Friday price. Number 4. Czkbg 10-in-1 Portable Car Battery Jump Starter. The Czkbg 10-in-1 Portable Car Battery Jump Starter is a versatile tool every driver needs. With a large battery, it can power cars and small trucks, while offering a built-in LED flashlight, USB charging ports, emergency warning lights, and a compass. Safety features like overvoltage and short-circuit protection give peace of mind in emergencies. Compact, portable, and highly functional, it's perfect for roadside situations and is a must-have Black Friday find for car owners. Number 5. Eco-worthy 3,584 watt-hours LifePO4 RV Battery Bluetooth. The eco-worthy 3,584 watt-hours LifePO4 RV battery with Bluetooth is perfect for off-grid adventures. It provides long-lasting, high-performance energy storage, handling heavy loads without losing efficiency. Bluetooth monitoring lets you track performance from your phone, and its built-in management system protects against overcharging, over-discharging, and overheating. Lightweight, durable, and easy to install, it's ideal for RVs, camping, or emergency backup. This reliable power solution is a Black Friday bargain for anyone needing portable energy. Number 6. Yeswelder MIG 205DS Pro MIG Welder 200 amp. The Yeswelder MIG 205DS Pro is a professional-grade MIG welder that handles mild steel, stainless steel, and aluminum with ease. With 200 amps and dual voltage support, it's adaptable for home garages or workshops. The synergic mode automatically adjusts voltage and wire feed speed for smooth, high-quality welds, while its lightweight design and digital display make operation simple, durable, portable, and efficient. This welder is a must-have for hobbyists or professionals looking to upgrade during Black Friday. Number 7. Arccaptain Stick Arc-TIG Welder 200 amps for welding thick steel and iron, supporting both stick and TIG modes. Its compact, portable design makes storage easy, while a digital display allows precise control over voltage and current for clean welds. Built-in safety features like overheat and overcurrent protection keep both you and your work safe, reliable, versatile, and efficient. This welder is perfect for hobbyists and small workshops, making it an excellent early Black Friday pick. Number 8. 5+ Silicone Windshield Wipers Set of 3. The 5+ Silicone Windshield Wipers set includes 3 durable, flexible blades that outperform traditional rubber wipers. They resist cracking, splitting, and warping, delivering streak-free performance even in heavy rain or snow. Universal adapters make installation quick and easy for most vehicles. Not only do they enhance visibility and safety, but they also reduce noise and chatter. Reliable and long-lasting, this wiper set is a practical Black Friday upgrade for daily commuters or road trip enthusiasts. Number 9. Diffcar Ford F-150 Leather Seat Covers Full Set. The The Diffcar Ford F-150 leather seat covers, full set, protects and upgrades your truck's interior with high-quality PU leather. They shield seats from spills, stains, and wear, while adding comfort and style. This full set includes front and rear covers with headrest protection for a complete interior upgrade. Installation is easy with adjustable straps and buckles. Durable, water-resistant, and elegant, these seat covers are perfect for families, pet owners, or outdoor enthusiasts, making them a smart early Black Friday investment. Number 10. Welldo Universal Leather Car Seat Covers. Black. The Welldo Universal Leather Car Seat Covers provide a sleek upgrade for most vehicles. Made from durable synthetic leather, they protect seats from spills, stains, and wear while enhancing style and comfort. Installation is simple with elastic straps and secure fasteners, and maintenance is easy with a quick wipe down. Ideal for commuters, families, or anyone wanting to preserve their interior, these covers are a practical, stylish, and budget-friendly Black Friday deal you won't want to miss. Number 11. Iottie One-Touch Dashboard Car Phone Mount. The Iottie One-Touch Dashboard Car Phone Mount makes using your phone while driving safe and effortless. With a one-touch locking system, it securely holds your smartphone in place, keeping it visible for navigation or calls without distractions. Its adjustable arms fit most phones, and the strong suction ensures it stays put on any dashboard. Compact, durable, and convenient, this mount is a practical Black Friday find for anyone who spends time on the road. Number 12. Fahren 5th Gen H11H 9H8 LED Fog Bulbs Pack. Upgrade your visibility with the Fahren 5th Gen H11H 9H8 LED Fog Bulbs. These bulbs deliver bright, crisp light for safer night and bad weather driving. Long-lasting and energy efficient, they resist heat and vibration, keeping your headlights reliable for years. Easy to install and compatible with many vehicles, they improve both style and safety. For anyone looking to brighten the road ahead, this LED fog bulb pack is a must-grab Black Friday deal. Number 13. Lasfit floor mats for Ford F250, F350 Crew Cab. Protect your truck's interior with Lasfit floor mats designed for Ford F250 and F350 Crew Cab models. Made from durable, heavy-duty material, they shield carpets from mud, dirt, and spills while adding a sleek, tailored look. Easy to clean and slip-resistant, these mats stay in place during daily driving or off-road adventures. Practical, stylish, and long-lasting, they're an ideal early Black Friday upgrade for truck owners who want both protection and style. Number 14. Lensuge 4K Dash Cam Front and Rear. Inside the Lensuge 4K Dash Cam records ultra-clear footage from front, rear, and inside your vehicle, perfect for rideshare drivers or safety-conscious commuters. Its high-resolution video ensures you capture every detail, while loop recording and G-sensor features automatically save incidents. Compact, discreet, and easy to install, it fits seamlessly in any car. With smartphone connectivity for quick playback, the Lensuge 4K Dash Cam is a must-have Black Friday deal for anyone seeking extra security on the road. Number 15. Eviqo Level 2 EV Charger, 40 amps, 240 volts. Charge your electric vehicle faster with the Eviqo Level 2 EV Charger, delivering 40 amps at 240 volts. Compatible with most EVs, it provides quick, safe, and reliable charging at home. The compact design is easy to install, and built-in safety features protect against overcurrent and overheating. Perfect for EV owners who want convenience and efficiency, this charger is a smart investment for daily use or emergency charging, especially with Black Friday savings making it even more appealing. Number 16. Pulidiki Car Cleaning Gel Putty Auto Interior. The Pulidiki Car Cleaning Gel Putty is a clever solution for cleaning hard-to-reach spots in your car. It picks up dust, crumbs, and debris from vents, cup holders, and dashboards without scratching surfaces. Soft, flexible, and reusable, it molds to tight spaces, making car detailing faster and easier. Compact and mess-free, this cleaning gel is perfect for anyone who loves a tidy interior. Take advantage of this early Black Friday deal to keep your car spotless effortlessly. Number 17. Yaberauto 12-in-1 Jump Starter with Air Compressor. The Yaberauto 12-in-1 Jump Starter is a multifunctional powerhouse for car owners. It can jumpstart vehicles, inflate tires with its built-in air compressor, and charge phones or electronics via USB ports. Safety features like overcurrent and short-circuit protection make it reliable in emergencies. Compact and portable, it's perfect for roadside assistance, camping trips, or daily driving. This versatile tool is a must-have for anyone who wants convenience, safety, and a Black Friday-worthy bargain. Number 18. Fluke 117 Digital Multimeter ACDC Non-Contact. The Fluke 117 Digital Multimeter is a professional-grade tool for electricians, mechanics, or DIY enthusiasts. It measures AC/DC voltage, resistance, and continuity, while offering non-contact voltage detection for added safety. Compact, accurate, and easy to use, it helps troubleshoot electrical problems quickly and reliably. With a rugged design built to withstand daily use, this multimeter is perfect for workshops or home projects. Don't miss this early Black Friday deal for a tool that's as practical as it is essential. Number 19. Astroai Portable Tire Inflator 150 PSI 12V. The Astroai Portable Tire Inflator delivers up to 150 psi of pressure, making it easy to inflate car, bike, or SUV tires quickly. Compact and powered by a 12-volt car outlet, it's perfect for roadside emergencies or home use. Built-in safety features prevent overinflation, and the LED light adds convenience in low-light conditions. Lightweight, portable, and efficient, this inflator is a must-have for drivers who value safety and convenience, especially at a Black Friday discount. Number 20. Aviqo 8000, a battery jumper starter, PD 30 watts. The Aviqo 8000 A battery jumper starter is a high-powered emergency tool capable of jump-starting cars, trucks, or SUVs with ease. With a PD 30-watt USB output, it also charges phones, tablets, and other devices quickly. Compact and portable, it's designed for convenience in emergencies, while built-in safety protections prevent overcurrent, short circuits, and reverse polarity. Perfect for any driver, this versatile and reliable jumper starter is a must-have early Black Friday purchase for peace of mind on the road. That's a wrap on the 20 early Amazon Automotive Tools Deals Black Friday 2025. Don't miss these limited time savings. Upgrade your garage, boost your car's performance, and grab these must-have tools before they're gone.